So this is 119 Berkeley Grange, and this is a little semi-detached house, which is a 2-bedroom. I'm just closing the front door there, a bit of a creak. So we come into a little reception hallway, and then you're straight into the kitchen. So the kitchen is fitted out with units at base and wall level. We have electric oven, we've got a gas hob, there's an extractor fan over. It comes with a washing machine, we've got a stainless steel sink and drainer, and there is a fridge freezer as well. Room here for you to put small table and chairs for dining, and you've got space here for the likes of a dryer or perhaps a dishwasher. Out the back we have a little garden. Please forgive the fence, which is down at the moment. We've just had Storm Katrina, so whatever it was called, Josh, so it's just lying on its side at the moment, but that will be erected before the new tenant comes in. And there is a pantry area or a storage area, maybe for a hoover, something like that, coats potentially, your boiler's in there, and your consuming unit. So we come out of the kitchen and we go into the living room. And the living room is a nice room. It's got a nice little outlook to the front street. Just show you through the blinds there. Well set back, greenery all around you. And we've got a gas fire and the stairs up to the first floor. Plenty of space in here for a sofa, chairs, television table. And then leading up to the first floor, we come up the stairs. I'll show you first of all the double bedroom, which is here. So plenty of room for a double bed, bedside cabinets, wardrobe, etc. The second bedroom is a single, which you can see here. And there is a couple of storage areas, somewhere there for you to hang clothes, store items. And we have the hot water cylinder there with some shelving above for airing. So that's your single bedroom, and then the bathroom, 3-piece suite, toilet, pedestal wash hand basin and bath. We've got an extractor fan in here as well. So that is 119 Berkeley Grange, available now to view with hunters. Please get in touch if you'd like to come and take a look.